This guy just manhandled the box, bro. Oh my god. Watch out, bro. Take it easy. Hey. Wait, which way is it going? Welcome back to the vlog, homies, and gonna give you guys an update on what's going on with the C63. Finally got it back from the mechanic. Expensive repairs, guys. I have the bill with me. As I said, I picked up the car, and I'll tell you guys what was done, how much it costs. My friends come in with the roof box. Finally, we're gonna put the roof box on there, and I'll talk to you guys while I drive. I'm gonna go grab some. So what happened was, car starts to shutter, and when it starts to shutter, it would shutter once you drive it for 2 or 3 minutes, and then I was getting a flashing light, and it was just complete loss of power. I took it in, I dropped it off, and he said that my car was misfiring. So I got a bill back right here. I'm not trying to drink and drive. What the hell was I saying? I'm not trying to read and drive, but I know what was changed, so I'll tell you guys. Okay, so what was changed and the rate it was changed at. So I got an oil change and filter service, which was $199 Canadian, so 200 bucks. They inspected for an engine running light, and inspected and found that cylinder 5 was misfiring due to a bad coil, ignition coil, and the plugs needed to be changed because the service was due anyways. So it was an 8-4 service. So what happened was, ignition 5 coil was misfiring, but what I found out was that the V8s in the Mercedes cars, I don't know particularly if it's for other cars, but for this car, C63, they use 4 coils. So one coil operates 2 plugs, or to 2 cylinders. So hence why a coil is expensive. So what happened was, they replaced the 5th coil, which would be the 5th and 6th coil, and all the spark plugs as well. So for an oil change, ignition coil, spark plugs, and labor, everything came out to, after taxes of 13%, which we pay here, $1,578 Canadian. And I'll break it out with you guys for the rate. So the rate for the ignition coils, one ignition coil was $400.90. Each spark plug was $34.46, so there's 8 of them. And 4 hours of labor to do everything, which was $130 an hour, amounting to $520 in total. So the spark plugs was $275 total. So total without taxes was $1,396, $181 in taxes, which came out to $1,578 as a total. So that's what was done at the 83,000 kilometer mark. And before anyone chimes in, I've already had the car serviced with the transmission fluid when I got the car, which was not too long ago, I think around the 60K mark. Transmission fluid, diff fluid, and I had all the brake fluids and everything done. So at that time, that was taken care of. I'm gonna probably do that again around 100,000. Spark plugs, I know depending on the car, how you drive it, 30 to 50,000 kilometers, it makes sense. Spark plugs need to be changed. It all depends on how you drive the car, if it's tuned, whatnot. The car's not tuned yet. So yeah, that was a service. Unfortunately, it's a bummer because I wasn't expecting the bill, but that's what you kind of get with the AMG life. And yeah guys, so that was the update on the bill. All right, so my box hasn't come in yet. I got a sleeker one, but Maple Biker showed up with his, and we were so eager to give it a shot, we might end up putting this one on the car and seeing how it is. So what do you think? Should we give it a shot?
Yeah, we're gonna make a soccer mom AMG.
Oh man, this is a stupid idea, and it's so cold too. But I mean, for the video, we might as well just do it, I guess. I'm not sure. Look at this guy right now. Okay.
Dude, we
I
might
can
be able to fit one person
I
in
can
it.
100% kidnap somebody and put somebody in there.
Definitely.
And yo, guaranteed. Like, yo. Oh boy. We are the spawns of bad ideas, man. I want to see the reactions going into like a drive-thru with this box on the car, eh? We'll take it to the gas station and we'll see how it feels with the under the gas station lighting, okay?
Yeah.
All right, so what are you doing right now? You're just like
I'm just unscrewing.
unscrewing it, right?
Yeah.
All right,
It's
cool.
pretty easy.
I'm gonna be honest, guys. We're just doing this for entertainment. It might not look good on the car, but it's still entertainment. I'm gonna drive the car around a little bit.
Just for fun.
Just for fun. Maple Biker coming in for the rescue, for the bad idea rescue. All right, we gotta get this box down and then get it on. So you need help taking it down? No? This guy just manhandled the box, bro. Oh my god. Watch out, bro. Take it easy, eh? Wait, which way is it going?
Hold on.
Oh, okay. Okay, that way, right? Yo, that looks huge, man. Yo, that's so funny. At the same time, it's pretty badass, not gonna lie, eh?
It doesn't look that much.
It doesn't look that bad, yo. What do you think, yo? Should we rip it or no?
Honestly, it doesn't look that bad, bro.
It really doesn't.
Yeah.
It really doesn't look that bad, I'm not gonna lie. I think it's, you know why? Because the depth is there, but it has the shorter length.
Yeah.
So I think that's why it's probably proper. What do you think?
Screw it on.
Maybe. Oh my god. Whatever, yo, let's do it. All right. So we're trying to find the first hole, and we're struggling. So, oh boy. There you go. We got it in. We got it in. All right.
Finally.
There you go. You found the hole, man. You found the hole. 4 more to go. Hey, 3 more to go. Oh man. This is how it opens. Yeah, it looks pretty badass on the AMG, not gonna lie. All right, guys. We had this plan. Everything was going smooth until we realized that the holes that the holes don't line up at the bottom. Oh man, I guess yours are adjustable, right?
They're adjustable.
Okay. So you can adjust them on the rails. So I can't adjust them. So yo, what does that mean? I have to get the Mercedes OEM one pretty much, right?
Probably, because I think I don't know which box you're gonna get it.
Okay.
But because every box has a different kind of mountings, right?
Okay.
This one is on kind of a budget side.
Yeah. Okay, because yo, that's a good thing to know, yo. Otherwise, we would have
Bought a box.
yeah, bought a box somewhere else, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, Tiga. So okay, let's. You know what we'll do then? Let's get a thumbnail, and then let me go search for and purchase the other box we were looking at, yo.
Well, we almost created the soccer mom.
We almost created it. Almost had it. Yeah. Okay, perfect. All right. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I'm gonna get the roof box on for sure. We are waiting for the roof box. But again, I wanted to give this one a shot, but unfortunately it wouldn't work. The holes are not lining up. See you guys on the next video where I will probably have a roof box on this damn thing. It's been a mission and a half trying to figure out how to put a roof box on a C63, but we will get it done for you guys. So stay tuned, next video.